for some cereal?
Nope.
Look. Alex. What do you think about that? What do you think about that?
What are you doing to me? I don't think you're supposed to feed him intranasally. What is that gross stuff?
What do you think about that? Huh? What do you think about that?
I think you should have put a bib on him first.
Probably.
What's happening?
Want some more? Does that taste good?
That does not taste like Fruity Pebbles.
Yeah, you're swallowing some of it. That's good. Are you looking at this whole bowl thinking I'm never going to be able to eat all that? It's a good job. Yeah, you're getting the hang of it.